Cybertron needs warriors. Your timing is optimal.
My timing? Bruh, my foot them still hurt.
Yo, time to earn your energon, rookie.
Makaya even hold this thing. Where my gloves?
The human stinks of fear. Crushed bones make fine data dust. Aye, bossman. Me just reach. Take time.
Me no know how, but if you want war, me ready for mash up circuit today.
You've got spark, kid. Me always had that. Y'all just late to the party.
Impossible. The human is bonded to the AllSpark. Yeah? And me now back down.
Protect the link at all costs.
Me they are trying my best.
Yo, this like me playing a video game.
And the only robots can throw box here.
Big man, hold on. Me a forward.
Me can control the thing, it'll take over.
He's not just linked, he IS the key.
Surrender the hybrid or watch your planet burn.
Hybrid? Bruh, me just hungry.
Malik, accept the spark.
Someone was chosen. From birth?
Someone was chosen. From birth?
Eight. Time for mash metal.
Remember, a prime does not fight alone. The spark is unity.
Me understand now, big man.
He's Malik the Glitch Prime now.
Nah, just call me Malik. Prime vibes though.
My story not done. Earth next.